It's a beautiful day and welcome to another edition of the PMall DIY. So in today's video, I'll be teaching us on how to register anybody in PMall and earn your daily uninterrupted commissions. Be it affiliate, be it vendor, or even a stockist. So if they sound like what might interest you, let's ride. But first, the rule of the game is simple. It is only an affiliate that can register anybody and earn commissions from PMall. So if you are not yet an affiliate, just know you are not yet a partner in prosperity with PMall. So all you have to do right now is to pause this video and get back to the person that sent you this video and ask the person one simple question. How do I become an affiliate with PMall? But if nobody sent this video to you, just visit our website and get started immediately. Because there are two major things you should not miss in this life, no matter what. One, do everything possible not to miss heaven. Two, do everything possible not to miss the PMall commission, because it is only in PMall that you can earn multiple commissions even when you are not actively involved in the process. If you doubt me, become an affiliate and see how it works. So, how do you register anybody in PMall and earn commission? It is very simple, trust me. When I say anybody, I am talking about affiliate, vendor, or even stockist. And like I said, the rule of the game is simple. And rule number one is you must be registered. And rule number two is you must know or have your referral link or referral ID handy, because you will need it to complete the registration process in order to earn your commission. So when you're done with that, the next thing is to proceed with the registration proper. And trust me, PMall registration happens to be one of the fastest things to do. If you doubt me, ask your hotline. There are basically two ways to get this done. One, it is through your back office, and two, it is through the registration portal. So let's get started with number one. Number one is through the back office. Let me guide you and show you how it is done. First, you must be registered, and as you can see, this account is registered, and I'm going to use this account to register a new affiliate and show you how it is done and show you the commission. So take note of the commissions. You can see the commissions. This is the commission earned. This is the point value. This is the PMall token, which is the crypto token. This is the number of affiliates registered already. This is the number of vendors registered already. This is my referral ID. So let's proceed to the registration proper. Now, like I said, you have to know your referral ID. You have to either write it down or know it handy. Now, if I should click on this part you're seeing here, where it carries, it means copy. If I click on it, it will copy the entire link for referral where you can send to somebody. And I won't do that. I will just write down my referral ID that I can use. And if you check here, my referral ID is PM-158972. So I'm going to cram that. So the next thing to do now is to navigate to the left hand side of my page where I have my affiliate management. So I'm going to click on affiliate management. There it takes me to this part of my page where you see the number of affiliates that you've been registered already. So I'm going to click on add affiliate. So I click on add affiliate. It brings me to this registration page. So like I said, it's going to be a very quick registration. I'm going to be putting the name. So the next thing to do is to put the username. So I'm going to be using my boss. So I navigate to where I'll put the phone number. I'm going to use a dummy phone number right now, but then I can edit it later. For email, I'm also going to use a dummy email that I can edit later because I don't want to start writing down email. Now over to this part of the page is very important you understand this if you are registering anybody from your back office. What this means is this: it says select parent for affiliate. What it means is, do you want to register this person under a different person? If yes, select yes. When you select yes, it takes you to where you have to select the affiliate. Now you come down to this place. Now these two usernames you can see here are the two usernames you saw previously that I registered. So they are already registered in my account. So when I click anyone, the next thing to do is to proceed to the package type. But I'm not going to do that. I will say no. When you say no, it will prompt you to where you have to put in your referral ID. So my referral ID, like I said, is 15. Don't forget the PM/158972. So that's my referral ID. So the next thing is to proceed to the registration package. So I'm going to select diamond, which is 50,000. I'm going to select diamond, and the next thing to do is to proceed to registration. Now when you click on registration, it takes you to where you have to make payment for this registration. Bam! It brought us to the payment gateway where we will have to select anyhow we want to make, either through OPay, through USSD, through bank, through transfer, through card, and through Zap. You see, PMall registration, like I said, it is one of the fastest way of registering. If I say I'm using OPay or whatever, you have to select any of the payment strategy or payment pattern you are comfortable with, and you proceed with the payment. For this one, I'm going to say I'm comfortable with my card, or I'm comfortable with a bank with a transfer. I'm going to, when you click on transfer, it means that I'm going to log into my bank. Then I will search for this account name, this bank name rather. I'm going to search for this bank name when I log into my mobile banking app, which is Paystack Titan. I'm going to put this account number, then I'm going to pay this amount of money. I can either copy the account number and copy the price also. So that is for the transfer. Or I want to use bank. I'll come here and select my bank, whichever bank I'm using. If I'm using First Bank, I'll select First Bank. I'll put in my account number, then I proceed. If I'm using USSD, I will type in this USSD and choose your bank to start USSD, like Guarantee Trust Bank. I'm going to use that. Then you put in the amount there. Then if you're using OPay, then it takes you to OPay. Please click the button below to authenticate with your bank. So when you click on this button, it takes you to where you're going to be connected with your bank. So I'm going to close this. I'm not using OPay. I'm going to be using my card. So for the purpose of not showing you my card details, I'm going to pause this presentation and make the payment. Then we continue so that you see the incentives I have earned for that registration. Alright, so I am done with the registration. You see, the registration is successful and my boss is registered. And if you check by the right hand side here, you see it is inactive. Inactive because I have not done my settings by putting in my bank details. That's why it's showing me inactive. So let's proceed to see how much I actually earn for this registration. So let's go to my dashboard. And if you check now, okay, previously it was 2, so I have 3 affiliate now. Now I have 9,000 PMT, 240 point value, and I now have 56,000 naira. From 42,000, I now have 56,000 naira for this just one registration. So this is how fast and how quick it is for you to get registered or register anybody on PMall. So that's number 1. That's option 1, which is to register from the back office. So the next thing we have to do now is how you can register from the registration portal, which is to log out. That means you have to log out. So you see how much I've earned. See how much I've earned now for this particular registration. See the wallet. See my point value, and if you notice here, I have 3 persons here that have registered. So let's go and register the 4th person and see how much we'll make. Like I told you, there are things you shouldn't miss. One is not miss everyone. The other one is do not miss PMall's commission, because no company pays like we do. For just 3 persons, see how much I've earned. Let's go do the next registration and see how much comes. Alright, so I have logged that now. I need to create an account. So on this place now, I have both the vendor and affiliate. So whoever I want to register, I will just navigate between the both of them. Now this is affiliate, this is affiliate. Now this is affiliate, this is vendor. So whoever I want to register, I decide it from this place. Please do not forget, when you get to this place, don't go and click affiliate when you're supposed to register a vendor, and don't go and click vendor when you're supposed to register an affiliate. Now, when looking at the both of them, you should know who's an affiliate and who's the vendor. This one is carrying bag, so probably I think it's a vendor, and this one is not carrying bag, I think it should be an affiliate. So we are registering an affiliate. So let's go ahead with the registration. All right, so I'm going to be doing the same. So like I said, I'm going to be using a dummy email and dummy phone number. These are things I can edit later from my back office when I log in. Things I cannot edit are username. So I make sure the username are authentic. So I am going to use a dummy email and for an affiliate. Now, do not use a dummy email when you are registering a vendor, because the vendor password is sent to that email address. Affiliate, you have the opportunity to put in a password here, but if I'm to register a vendor, if you check around, there is no place for password, because the password is sent to the vendor's email address directly. The system sends the password to the person's email. So when you're registering a vendor, make sure the person's email is correct. The person's username and the person's password will be sent to that person's email. So we're registering affiliate, so let's proceed. We can play around when it comes to email, because you have the liberty to set your password here. So I'm going to be username again, my boss 01. Remember, we have done my boss, so you can use same phone number for more than one account. All right, so for password, I'm going to use a dummy password again, 128, because I have the opportunity of editing it from my back office. So I'm going to be registering that one again. Now remember the referral ID, so that I can be able to earn my commission. So my referral ID is now going to be PM dash, if you remember, it is 158972. All right, I haven't done that. I click agree. So the next thing is to proceed with my payment. It takes me to my payments gateway, where I will do where I will pay for the registration. Remember, like we earlier did, I am also going to pause this video and make the payment, then we continue again. All right, I've completed my registration now, and it has brought me back to my registration or my login page, where I have to log in as an affiliate. So this is where I can log in either as an affiliate or as a vendor. Now you see, for this registration I just did now, the account I registered now has been given 1,500 PMT wallets, then 40 point value. So I have to log out and go and check my main account that I did the registration under to see how much actually dropped. Whoa, can somebody just see this? Can somebody just see this? It is working. Can somebody just see this? It is working. Can somebody just see this? I now have 280 point value. I now have 10,500 PMT. I now have 71,000 naira, and just for registering 4 persons. For registering 4 persons, this is what it takes to this is what you earn, this is how you enjoy, and this is what you enjoy when you become an affiliate with PMall. So if you are yet to be registered in PMall and you're just seeing this video, if this sounds like what might interest you, then let's work. It is possible. Remember, if it must work, we must work it out. The money is there and we have to work it out by ourselves. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'll see you in our next video.